everybody, Leah Seidel here. Today I want to talk to you about an easy way to alleviate joint pain. So whether it's arthritic pain or an old injury, something that continues to bother you, a great way to help reduce the pain is actually with castor oil. So if you're old enough to know what castor oil is, you may remember having to drink it or being told to drink it at one point. That is absolutely not what I'm asking you to do today. What I'm going to ask you to do with your castor oil, and they make it in different kinds. They have liquids. This one happens to be a roll-on, so it's really nice because you don't have to touch it. You can just roll it onto your skin. But what you do with it is, let's just say my knee is bothering me. I'm going to roll or put my castor oil on all over my knee. I'm going to slather it up. And then I'm going to wrap it in a paper towel. The paper towel will absorb some of the oil, as will your skin, and it just kind of keeps it in place because this is a messy process, but I promise you it works. After you have your paper towel on the knee, you're going to wrap it in saran wrap. And as long as the knee is not swollen, you can add a heating pack to it. You can heat it and a low heat to it for about 20 minutes there. And that will help the oil absorb into the skin. It will help increase circulation to the area that's in pain, and it will ultimately help take some of the pain away, if not all of the pain away. So I've worked with triathletes in the past. I've worked with older adults, with people who have arthritis and just joint pain in general. 9 times out of 10, this completely alleviates their pain. So pretty awesome. It is a little messy, so make sure if you do put it on that you're in, some not so nice clothes so that if the oil does stain, it doesn't ruin your clothes. The other option, again, if it's a swollen knee, you don't want to put heat on it. So the other option is to put this on before bed. So you can put your castor oil, let's say again, it's the knee, maybe it's the elbow, and then you can put your paper towel on it if you'd like, or you can just pull up an old pair of pants over the knee that you don't mind getting some oil on it. If you sleep with this on, the heat from the blankets is not enough heat to cause more swelling in the knee. It will give you just enough heat to absorb the oil. So that's your tip for today. If you want to relieve some joint pain, grab some castor oil. Do note that it gets a little messy. So make sure, again, you wear some clothes that you don't absolutely love, that you don't mind getting dirty, and give it a whirl. If you try it, let me know. I'd be curious to see what you think. All right, you guys, have an awesome day.